How to remove old caulk. Do you need to remove old caulk around your kitchen counter or bathtub? In this video, we will show you how to remove it in just a few easy steps. You will need caulk remover, utility knife, 5-in-1 tool or 3-in-1 tool, razor blade scraper, a scrubbing pad, mineral spirits, 3% peroxide, and a rag. Step 1. Apply caulk remover to soften the existing caulk. Some caulk removers are formulated to work on all caulk, while others are for latex only. Step 2. Use the utility knife to cut along both edges of the joint. Step 3. Being careful not to scratch the adjacent surfaces, use either the 3-in-1 tool or the 5-in-1 tool to remove the bulk of the old caulk. Step 4. Use the razor blade scraper to remove as much of the remaining caulk film as possible. Step 5. Use a scrub pad soaked in mineral spirits to remove any caulk film that may have been missed in the earlier steps. Be sure to do a small test area first to make sure you aren't scratching any of the surfaces. If in doubt, simply use a rag instead. Step 6. Do a final cleanup of the surfaces with undiluted 3% peroxide to kill any mold spores and to remove any remaining soap scum. Step 7. Wipe dry with a clean rag and allow it to air dry. Use a hair dryer to be extra sure that everything is dry, even inside the joint that will be re-caulked.